Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood ramen broth. Start by toasting dried kelp and kombu, then simmer with bonito flakes, shrimp shells, and aromatics while skimming foam for clarity. Strain and return to a gentle simmer, seasoning with soy, mirin, fish sauce, and a splash of toasted sesame oil to round flavors and a little citrus. Layer flavors by using dried kombu, bonito flakes, shrimp shells, scallions, and aromatics like garlic and ginger to build a deep seafood stock. Keep water just below a simmer to avoid bitterness and remove any gray foam as it appears. Taste as you go, adjusting with soy, mirin, or a squeeze of lemon to lift the broth without overpowering the natural ocean notes. Finish with toasted sesame oil and chopped scallions for aroma and texture. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun companion to your kitchen commute and keep breath fresh between ramen runs. I appreciate every comment and share. Thanks for watching, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Blanch shells first to remove impurities, then roast briefly for extra depth before simmering gently to extract maximum flavor. Use a fine sieve or cheesecloth when straining to keep broth clear, and reduce it slightly to concentrate taste. For gluten-free options, choose tamari and skip mirin if needed, or replace with a small amount of rice vinegar and a touch of sweetness. Serve with noodles, soft egg, and quick pickled vegetables for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.